Okay, ito yung puligay po ngayon. Ito po ha. Ito po yung nag-champion po kanina. Naputol lang kasi yung liga eh. Ayan ha. Okay, tuloy po tayo. Sa awarding po tayo, awarding. Tuloy po tayo sa awarding. Okay.
Madam Salami. Again, may I call on our mythical six. Please come here and come forward for you to have picture taking.
Okay, Mythical 6 po kanina, tinawag po muli. Kasi isa. Okay, wala yung isa? Okay. Ito po ang Mythical 5 yata. Nasi 6. Nasi pang-anim. Okay. Kaya pa, Began. Okay. Dito rin, please. Okay. Thank you po. Okay, go kay Charles.
Alright, and our season MVP.
Okay, calling out for the season's MVP.
No other than
Receiving trophy.
Cabrera.
MVP trophy now. Received by Team Kelly. Yan. Season's MVP na. Gitna po, gitna. Thank you. Siya po ang season's MVP po natin. This will be posted now later on my RNG Vlogs channel. Okay.
Alright, congratulations to Willie Cabrera.
Okay.
And now,
For the finals MVP.
our final MVP.
Ako. Okay, finals MVP to be called now from Rising Phoenix.
Our finals MVP with the jersey of number 10.
Number 10! Yung kadiagonal. Yung kadiagonal. Yung kadiagonal, Miss Kelly. Okay. Finals MVP po, si number 10.
Yung teddy bear nga, teddy bear. Just wait. Wait lang yung teddy bear.
May teddy bear pa to, may stuffed toy pa. Oh, teddy bear.
Alright, congratulations, Griselda.
Yan, sige.
Hindi, wag mo takpan. Ayan.
Okay, si number 10 po ng Rising Phoenix ang nanalo sa finals MVP.
In bronze category.
Okay, first runner-up,
Team Barbecue.
Team Barbecue. First runner-up for the bronze division, ladies division for the Qatar Sparkers League. Team Barbecue.
And our first runner-up, of course, will receive a trophy, a plaque,
Trophy, plaque, and a banner. Oh, and cash po pala. Cold cash.
Our first runner-up.
Coach, manager, coach.
Okay, so receive po sa vitamina, multivitamin soap pa pala. Okay, then yung champion. Okay. Thank you. Okay, receiving 500 real cold cash. And also vitamins, multivitamins po pala. Yan pa, multivitamins po. Thank you po, thank you, congratulations. First runner of action is Team Barbecue.
Congratulations.
Okay, next po. Thank you po, thank you.
Barbecue, our first runner-up in boys category. And now, our champion,
Okay, champion team.
our
First champion, inaugural season for QSL. Okay. Rising Phoenix. Okay, Rising Phoenix winning the first ever championship trophy ng QSL. The coveted Coach Choi crown. Okay, team champion. Receiving gold medals also per player. Gold medals per player po. Thank you po, thank you, thank you. Gold medal per player po yan. Receiving also vitamin C naman, 1,000 mg vitamin C. Okay, medal po. Pakikagat yung medal, parang Olympics. Pakikagat. Yan, yan. Hindi, ganun lang, ganun. Yan. Yan, o, yan ha. Mamaya interview kita number 10. Okay. Sige po, good. And also receiving also 3,000 real cash plus check. Yan po yun ha. Champions banner. Okay. Pati yun o, kumiti sana. Ayan o.
Wait.
Including the committees po pala, sinama na rin po. Ayan. Yan, okay. Kagat. Yan. Okay. Liter niya, kinagat talaga. Okay, congratulations, Team Rising Phoenix. Okay. Griselda, Aida, congratulations. Ikaw pala ang MVP ng finals. Ano po masasabi niyo po? Sige po.
Una po, thank you po kay
Lakas ng
Lord.
konti.
Thank you po kay Lord kasi binigay niya sa amin yung championship. Walang na-injured. Talagang yung coordination po ng bawat isa sa amin is nandun and binigay yung best ng bawat isa. Isa lang po, shout out kay Ate Loida sa New Zealand.
Okay, ayos po. Okay, good po. Congratulations po. Ito po ang Team Rising Phoenix. Yan, sige. Thank you po. Thank you. Okay. Okay. With it po, standby po tayo po sa next game po between Team Go Elite versus, of course, Team Bella Bowlers. Maraming salamat po. Ito po yung natanggap po nila. Close look po yan. Ha? Yan po ang Women's Bronze Trophy. Ayan po siya. Ayan po. Thank you po. Ayan. Deg, ano, ganun. Wait. Parang sa World Cup, yung... Ano, tulong ko nga kayo. Set up na po.
Football.
Sige. Ito ah. 1, 2, 3.